Welcome, family. Welcome, new family members. This is what we're making today. Double chocolate cake mix cookies. And I put chopped Heath bars in it. So come on, come join me. We're being easy again today with this. I don't know, anything that's easy to do. This is I'm just using generic devil's food cake mix chocolate, you know. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm just dumping this in here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and it's softened. I have the oven on 350. Now, I checked my eggs. I put them in water first. 2 eggs. Now I'm just going to mix this up with a spoon. Give it a good mix. It shouldn't be too hard. I don't know. Just until a dough forms. Here, let me put you down here so you can see this. There we go. Now you can see what's going on. Yes. Cookie dough. I don't know how many cookies this is going to make, but we will see. Probably enough. You gotta have strong arms. And now I'm going to add some chocolate chunks. And I don't know, how much did it say? Only 1 cup. Well, you know me and chocolate, so we're gonna, and I'm gonna add some Heath toffee bits, just for the fun of it. Okay, now we're gonna mix this together. This should be good. I don't know, you know how you get those late night cravings for chocolate? Yeah. I do. I get those late night cravings a lot. Okay. Add a little more of these. This wasn't in the recipe, but that's the fun of making recipes. You can change it. Okay, that was simple, right? Simple, simple. Okay. Now, put that there. Bring this over here. Alright, now I'm just gonna, like this, I'm just gonna scoop them out like that. Not perfect, but we don't have to be perfect, do we? We don't ever have to be perfect. I might have to since they're going to be big and they're going to spread, I'm not going to overload my pan here. Let's see if we can get 9 on here. Okay. All right. That's all good. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And how is my family today? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. I'm looking forward to chocolate cookies. Cake mix cookies. I've never made these, so we'll see. But I think I'm going to like them. I like anything chocolate. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. And let's see. Well, I don't know, my oven is a little slow. But you know what? I'm going to give them 2 more minutes. Alexa, set timer.
For how long?
2 minutes. All right. Now that looks better. I'm going to leave them sit for 5 minutes on the pan. And I'm going to put my other one in there. All right. We'll see in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take these off of here and I'm going to put them on here to cool. This is my favorite. It's an old cutting board that I use just to put cookies on. You know, you have your favorites. Let these cool completely. Easy. One of the easiest cookie recipes I've ever made. Okay, second batch is in. I'm going to have to move these so I have room. Here we go. Thanks for joining me today for Cake Mix Cookies. Chocolate chip, and Heath bars. I'm going to have a bite. Really cakey. Very good. Crisp on the outside. Cakey on the inside. Really good. Almost like brownies. And that little crunch from the Heath bars. Awesome. Thanks for subscribing and being part of my family. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and give me a chance. And like and share my videos so YouTube knows I'm out there. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.